peeps, Julian here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's a pleasure to join you. We are going to do question 9 from the DBE Maths Paper 2 2019 paper, and this is a Euclidean geometry question. They've given us a diagram, and they've said that there are tangents drawn to point M from a circle, so we're going to be using some circle geometry theorems. They've also given us some other points that they've all marked on the diagram. So like, for example, angle K equals X, and that BM equals KM. So they've told us this. And basically in 9.1, they're now asking us to determine with reasons the size of angle N1 in terms of X. So to do this, we're going to have to make some statements with the reasons. So the statement number 1 is that the angle B1 equals X. So we're claiming this because of isosceles triangle. Because we know that they've told us that Km is equal to MB. So when there are equal sides of a triangle, their opposite angles are equal. So we can say this, that's statement number 1. We can also say that M2 will equal X plus X. And this is because of exterior angles of a triangle theorem. So basically this M2 here, because it's the exterior angle of the triangle KMB, it's going to be equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So M2 will then equal 2x. What we can also say is now that lines BM is equal to MN, and this is from the theorem that two tangents from a common point are equal. So from common point are equal. So that's another theorem we need to know. So that's basically that this line, they've told us that MB and MN are tangents drawn from the circle. That's that first statement over there. So then we can conclude that these two lines are equal. And now because these two lines are equal, there's now another isosceles triangle. And that's going to include your N1, which you're trying to solve for. So B2 and N1 are going to be equal. And we know that M2 is 2x. So therefore, N1 will equal. So remember, they've told us that this triangle, well, angles of a triangle equal sum to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees is going to need to be the 2x, which comes from your M2, plus N1 plus B2. So, but we know that B2 equals N1, so we can say also that 180 is going to need to equal 2x plus 2N1s. So we know that 2N1s is going to be 180 minus 2x, divide by 2, divide by 2. So therefore N1 is going to equal 180 minus 2x over 2. Take out a common 2, so it equals then 2 times 90 minus x over 2. And that's going to cancel. So therefore N1 equals 90 minus x. Of course, that's 90 degrees. Moving on. 9.2 is now asking us to prove that line AB, which is this line over here, is a tangent to the circle passing through K, B, and N. So it's K, B, and N. I'm going to draw this to visualize it. So there's going to be the circle you're trying to prove. So it's that one there, and that the line BA is a tangent. So we can start off by saying that MBA, so over here, is equal to 90 degrees, because they said that, remember, MB is a tangent to the circle, and tangents hit the tangents are always 90 degrees to the diameter. So this is going to equal 90 degrees. And your reason here will be tangents are perpendicular to diameters. Cool. And we know that also MBA is equal to the angle of B2 plus B3. And that's also then equal to 90. You can see that it's this angle B2 and B3. So therefore, we can say that B3 equals 90 degrees minus B2. But remember B2 from the previous question. So remember we said that this N1 equals 90 minus X, but B2 also equals N1. So N1 equals B2 because of the isosceles triangle rule. So we can then state that B2 equals N1, and the reason is isos triangle. So therefore we know that B3 equals 90 degrees minus 90 minus X. And if you don't know where that came from, remember N1 equals 90 minus X. So then we can say that B3 will equal 90 degrees minus 90 degrees plus X. So B3 equals X. So B3 equals X, and we know that K equals X. So we can say that B3 equals K, which equals X. And if we see that if we're in the circle, we can then see that if B3 equals K, that's the converse of the tan chord theorem, which would mean, which you can see there's that triangle N, K, and B. So therefore, the points K, B, N should be a circle, should be points in a circle, and the line at BA is going to be the tangent. So we can conclude that BA is a tangent, which is what we needed to prove, is a tangent, and your reason here is it's the converse of the tangent chord theorem. And that concludes question number 9. Before I go, I'd just like to give a special thanks to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read more about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more tutorials just like this. If you can't find the answer to the question you have, please send us your question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.